Do you want to know how to make money a simple, fun way? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $22 in a fun way, super easy, just by doing this method that I'm going to share with you. So maybe you're looking for a way to earn some extra cash, and you've been searching online, you can't find a way. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you could do that. Now, this won't require you a lot of setup or anything, and it's absolutely free for you to sign up, so you don't have to invest any money to be a part of what I'm going to share with you. Now, if you're at home and you have a little bit of downtime, you can just grab your phone and you could start to make money with what I'm going to share with you. So if it's your first time here, do remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know where you're watching this video from. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, always at the bottom section in the description area, that's where I'm going to leave my #1 recommendation. So check it out and see if you want to be a part of what I have going on, because I'm full-time online marketer, and this is exactly what I do for a living. So let's dive into things. Earn $22 in a fun way. Super easy, super fun. If you have a phone, you have a tablet, you could do this as well. And I do think that you can also use this on your computer, but a mobile device will be better. And I'm sure everybody these days have a cell phone. So if you got a smartphone, you're in, you're ready to rock and roll. So earn $22 in a fun way. So I want to share with you an app. And this app, before I even start, check out this trailer right now.
Are you interested in learning more about apps but don't have time to demo them right now? Then let us do it for you. App Trailers lets you discover the full functionality of an app in less than 30 seconds, saving you valuable time and money. If you decide you like the app, then download it through App Trailers. It's that simple. Have fun, save time, and earn points with App Trailers.
There you go. So App Trailer is the first app that I'm going to share with you. So it's super easy, super fun. All you got to do, you just have to download it. So if you got an iPhone, you got an Android. And by the way, if you got an iPhone, let me know in the comments that you have an iPhone. If you got an Android, let me know in the comments that you have an Android. So Team iPhone, Team Droid, let's make some noise down in the comment section. So right over here, the app trailers, you just watch videos, you redeem points, and you get free cash in your PayPal, or you can get it in your gift card. So what people are saying, I really enjoy the app trailers because it gives me points that I can redeem for cool prizes, and I get to see about the new apps I've never heard of, like Witty or Tiny Village before. So it is a great app. People are giving great reviews. You sign up, you watch trailers. So all you have to do is just watch trailers. These are new trailers that are coming out, so they're probably going to need your feedback as well. So just watch it, and once you watch it, you can collect your points. Every time you watch a trailer, you earn points, and the more points you earn, of course, the better it is going to be for you. So you can also earn points by uploading videos and getting likes. So if you got a cool video, got a funny video, you can upload it as well. You can earn points. So you redeem your points for gift cards. As I mentioned, you have Amazon, Sephora, there's Foot Locker, there's iTunes, and then just like down here, you can redeem and you get these points in the gift cards, and you can make money as well. They also send you money to your PayPal. So that's one of the app. The next app I'm going to share with you is an app called Luck Statistic. So with these apps, they're fun. You can make money in a super easy way, and it doesn't cost you any money to make money. So the only thing that it's going to cost you is time. And if you have a little bit of downtime in the evening when you get home from work, or before you go to work, or on your lunch break, you could just hop on this. So instead of just scrolling through your newsfeed and not making any money, especially if you're strapped for cash, you could just sign up for this right away and start to make a little bit of money. And I always tell people that this will not get you super rich. However, it can make you a little bit of money, and you could save that money every week, every month. And once you save that money, then you can invest it into a real business where you can start your business. But if you don't have any money right now, you could do this. It's only going to take your time and effort for you to get started. So come down here. You could do like live trivia. You could download the apps. There's people on here. There's real winners, and people are making money with this app. So it is super fun. It's easy and it's simple. All you have to do is just download it. There's another great video right here that I'm going to play for you so you can see what I'm talking about. So check this out.
If you're like most people, you hop on your phone when you have some time to spare to play games, find deals, and go shopping. But there are definitely more rewarding things you can do with your time. How about winning some real prizes instantly while you're on the go? Well, we found an app where you can do just that. It's called Lucktastic, and you won't want to put it down.
Well, Lucktastic, we've redefined the exciting things that you can do on your smartphone and tablet. The Lucktastic app is the first free and fun app that gives you the opportunity to win cash and prizes instantly. There's no catch. It all happens on your phone. We have real winners every day. How does this happen? Well, we partner with some really great folks. Over 5 million enthusiastic players have made us #1 in the lifestyle app at a Starbucks, Home Depot, and Domino's. And our recent release for Apple has seen even some stronger, tremendous response from our players. We want to bring you great offers, great deals, introduce you to new great brands, and along the way, give you the opportunity to really win.
To me, Lucktastic is a fun and free way where people can play fun instant win games where you can earn real-world rewards like gift cards and cash and so much more.
Since launch, we've had nearly 250,000 players win real cash or redeem gift cards from major brands and retailers. I personally have had the pleasure of delivering $5,000 to $10,000 cash prizes to winners in Greenville, North Carolina, Long Beach, California, and places all in between. We then showcase our winners on our website, lucktastic.com, and across our social media channels. So definitely check it out.
Beyond their daily prizes, Lucktastic is the very first app to offer a $1 million prize. The best part, it's completely free, and they're guaranteeing a winner in 2016.
Well, first of all, we've already given away $1.2 million in prizes and rewards, and that's just the beginning. Now we're going to be giving away to one lucky winner $1 million in 2016. So all you have to do is play every day at Lucktastic for your chance to win.
To download the Lucktastic app for free, just search Lucktastic on the iOS and Android app stores or go directly to lucktastic.com.
There you go. So you can make some money. Of course, they've been giving away lots of money just by playing. So just come on here, just sign up for it. They already rewarded the $1 million winner. And of course, they're giving away more money. So make sure you check it out. You can earn some money just by playing the game. As I said, it's an easy, simple, fun way to make some money. So you can earn like $22 just by playing this game. So once again, hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Check out my #1 recommendation right down here and be a part of what I have going on. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.